Hello, and this video will show you how to send money from Monzo to another Monzo account. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is you have to just simply follow these 3 steps. So now what you have to do is, depending on the situation that you are in, you have to follow the steps. Like for example, if you want to send the money from your Monzo account to another Monzo account and the person that you want to send is nearby, so if that is the case, you can use your Bluetooth feature. Now, if they are not completely nearby, you can use another way over here that will also transfer the money in seconds, and you can also do a regular bank transfer. So for the first step, if you want to share the money using Bluetooth, make sure both of the devices that you are going to use for the transfers has their Bluetooth enabled, as you can see right over here. Then open the application and then tap on payments. After that, simply click on tap pay someone. Then in both of the devices, you have to click on pay someone nearby, and then over there the nickname or the username of your friend should pop up in the nearby section, and then all you have to do is just simply choose your friend, then send the money whatever amount you want to send. Now the second easiest way of sending money is, all you have to do is open your payment section in your application, then just simply click on the pay someone icon. After that, just simply click on pay with friends, and then it will give the Monzo app access to your contacts that you will be choosing, and then just simply search for a friend's name. After that, just simply enter the amount and send the money. Now lastly, for doing the bank transfer, what you can do is just simply toggle on the QR or the payment link on your settings option, which you will find. Then tap on the payments icon at the menu bar. Then just simply click on request money or choose by QR or link. You will have these options. Then you can enter the amount manually, whatever amount you may want. Or you can just simply leave that part to the person that you're asking the money from, and then they will fill it for you when they will be paying you. And then use your phone's camera or a QR code scanner to make the payment, and then you're all good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.